I got this utility sink that I use for whatever, cleaning up stuff. It's used for a little bit of everything, and one of the things I found useful is, obviously it's got a faucet, but putting on another type of faucet so I can fill a bucket or whatever without having to lift it up to the sink, mess up the sink and whatever. So thought I would show you this. It's just a piece of plastic pipe, plumbing pipe, that goes back in here, runs back around there, and then has a connector right back here. I'll show you that a little bit better in a second. But I just put a splitter on the line, and this goes to the faucet. This one goes to the tap that I just showed you, and it's right there. Just screws onto a plastic joint fitting, and that's pretty much it. But let me tell you, it's a lot more convenient to fill a bucket sitting on the ground and be able to clean stuff working on the ground than it is trying to haul it up to the sink and then cleaning up the sink afterwards, of course. So anyway, that was it. Hope you find it useful.